draw this over. I got a brief rundown this whiteboard session review, basically. Got an image. This guy with really beady eyes. Okay, so black clothes, maybe a jumpsuit, green, okay. Not so much a friendly face. Okay. It's like not so cartoony and friendly. There we go. It's a little better. Intent, focused, driven, goal-oriented, cerebral. Hustling or scrambling. It's like there was a, I like this flat pattern, maybe crisscrossing, saw craft. It's kind of a line. It's like rounded. And this part in the middle. Saw like explosion. Before that I saw like Egyptian type symbol, hieroglyphs, hieroglyphics, gold. I had this sense of this thing became dense and heavy, like gravity. Then I had the sense of being pulled inward and down. Alien crash body autopsy. I had the sense of a TV screen. City static reminds me of older TVs, CRTVs, CRT screens, 60s, 70s, NASA signal. I saw like a Viking probe type, satellite type thing. Yeah, well, NASA. This guy. Not friendly. I assume he's an alien. I don't know. There's something horror movie about it. This is bloodlust, vampiric type thing. Saw like a moon. night. Red light trees. In nature here. It's like it's kind of like the werewolf. Something waiting in the dark. Dark night. Dark fantasies, dark bloodlust, vampire, souls. Organization. That guy kind of felt like it was made Zeta Reticuli. It's like this explosion. Seems to be part and parcel to this. The craft was maybe downed. Being felt heavy and dense. And it was his downfall. Literally. I think he, see like a, soul kind of vanquished or falling in through this tunnel or inward. Inward light or inward travel. Just strange. It's a strange scenario or dynamic. Creepy. Seemed to be like an adversarial situation. Maybe two different sides, or like a exchange or conflict. But that's all I have.